Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sachin. In last video we have seen the introduction part. Now in this part we are going to see how we can install the Eclipse IDE and the JDK to our system. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you will get the more videos from my side. So let's get started. Now open up your favorite browser and type download JDK. Click on enter. You will get the link Java SC downloads from Oracle. Click on that. So we are using the Java SC 14.0.1 latest version of Java JDK. Click on JDK download. In my computer or in my case, I am using the Windows 64-bit installer. If you don't know, go to this PC, right click on it, and here you can see system type, that is 64-bit in my case. So again go to the browser, click on download, click I reviewed and simply click on download. If it asks for the Oracle account, simply make the Oracle account, which is very easy. After that you can download the JDK. In my case, I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download this. After downloading, go to search bar, click on CMD. That is our command prompt. Click on that and type the command, that is Java version. So here you can see Java version 14 which we have downloaded. If you are not finding here, that means you need to make the path. So click on this PC. Again right click, go to properties, go to advanced system settings. In that, environmental variable. In the system variables, go to path, click on add it and create a new one if you haven't. In mine, I have already pasted it. So from where you can paste it, go to this PC again, go to C drive, inside C drive, go to program files. In that, go to Java, open up JDK, go to Bing. Okay. Now click on search bar and simply copy this path. Now you need to paste this path in the environmental variable. Click a new one and simply paste it. I don't need to do because I have already done. Simply click on OK. Again go to search bar, click on CMD and type the command Java version. Now you will get the Java version. If you are not getting these also, please let me know in the comment section. So we have already installed the Java JDK. Now we are going to install the Eclipse IDE. Again open up your browser, click on the new tab, just simply type download Eclipse. You will get the link eclipse.org. Click on that. It will automatically give the link, that is download 64-bit. Click on that and simply download. I will be providing Java JDK as well as Eclipse IDE links in the description box, so you can download from there as well. So after downloading the Eclipse IDE, open up your IDE. If you are finding any difficulties in downloading, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply this one. Now it is asking for the directory as a workspace, so I am going to give it as a default and press launch. As soon as you open up your Eclipse workspace, you will find the welcome screen over here. In my case it is not showing because I have already used this. And you can play around the IDE, just try to explore the IDE. That's it for this video. In next video we are going to start with our Java. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks.